We visited Fort Christian on a shop, see, and splash shore excursion while visiting St. Thomas on an Eastern Caribbean cruise. Sit back and enjoy the video, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more great cruise content, and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!
Sail away, come aboard this digital oasis. Cruise ship tours and reviews, they're taking us places. Port guides, destinations, and shore excursions too. Cruising addicts, they're the ones making our dreams come true.
Fort Christian, located in the vibrant capital of the U.S. Virgin Islands, Charlotte Amalie on St. Thomas, is a testament to the island's rich colonial history. It stands as the oldest standing structure in the Virgin Islands and offers a glimpse into the past that shaped the region. Constructed between 1671 and 1680 by the Danish during their rule over the Virgin Islands, Fort Christian was built to protect the island from invasion and to defend the Danish West India Company interest. The fort's strategic location provided a commanding view of the harbor, making it an essential military installation. The fort is named after King Christian V of Denmark, reflecting its Danish heritage. Throughout the years, Fort Christian has been involved in various historical conflicts, including battles against pirates and rival colonial powers such as the British and the French. Fort Christian is noted for its distinctive architecture characterized by its thick stone walls, which were designed to withstand cannon fire. The structure includes a central courtyard surrounded by formidable walls, a chapel, and several storage rooms which housed munitions and supplies. One of the most recognizable features of the fort is its large, rounded bastion, which was used for mounting cannons, providing a strategic edge during battles. The fort's walls are approximately 5 feet thick, showcasing the engineering prowess of its builders. Today, Fort Christian is a popular tourist attraction, drawing history enthusiasts and visitors alike. It has been restored and maintained as a museum that offers exhibitions detailing its history and the broader context of Danish colonialism in the Caribbean. Visitors can explore the interior of the fort, view artifacts from its storied past, and enjoy picturesque views of the harbor and surrounding areas. The fort also hosts cultural events and educational programs, further enriching the visitor experience. Fort Christian is more than just a historical site, it is a symbol of the cultural heritage of St. Thomas and the Virgin Islands. A visit to this fort offers a unique opportunity to step back in time and appreciate the historical significance of the region. Whether you're a history buff or simply enjoying exploring historical sites, Fort Christian is a must-visit destination in the Caribbean. Fort Christian is open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mondays through Fridays, except for U.S. Virgin Island and federal government holidays. For non-local adults, general admission is $10 per person, and for children ages 5 to 12 it is $7. Children 4 and under are free. For locals, admission is $5 per person. Tickets can be purchased in person at the window at the entrance of the fort. We will also include some links to some tours that include Fort Christian on their itinerary in the description of this video. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that thumbs up button liking it. Subscribe to our channel for more great cruise and excursion content, and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!